Hello guys, what are some awesome Android tricks and tips you should be knowing about? Well, let's talk about that. Welcome to my channel. Welcome guys. Do you want to know how to add seconds to your time in the status bar? Well, stay to the end of this video to find out how to. There might have been situations where you had to give your phone to little kids or some others to check your camera or pictures or something like that. Well, how do you prevent them from going through other files in your phone? That's where screen pinning comes. You can pin your screen and give it to them. How? Well, go to settings, security and screen pinning. In many cases, phones might have different security directories. So I will say about search terms which you can search for in the securities, search and find this. Here the search term is screen pinning or screen pin. You can find it different gesture settings also. Screen pinning will be different. It can either be for a 3-button gesture or a 2-button gesture or full navigation. Each will be done likewise. Next, are you someone who have felt like your phone is locking frequently, like it should have been unlocked when it's with you or when it's in a place where you are sure that no one else is going to be looking at it? Well then, you need smart lock. How do you activate it? Go to settings and then security, trust agents, smart lock, and then turn it on. Or like that, you can, if the settings directory is not the same for you, you can search smart lock or trust agents. Turning it on in trust agents, you will see smart lock option in security inside settings. You can go there and turn it on. It will give you 3 options as shown here.
First is on body detection. That is, this keeps the phone unlocked while the phone is in motion. That is, when you are holding or carrying the phone. But there is a caution here, like it says here. It cannot distinguish between you and someone else. That is, if someone takes it while it's unlocked, they can use it as they wish. It will be unlocked. Next is adding a trusted place. That is, even if you leave your phone unlocked at this location, there is no problem. Next is adding a trusted device. That is, when we add a trusted device, as long as it is connected, the phone will be unlocked. It won't be locked as long as it is connected. If you have enabled smart lock and there's a condition where you don't want it to be unlocked, then there is an option in settings where you can turn on lockdown. Take settings and check for that option. After turning this on, while long pressing the power button, this lockdown option will come. Selecting this will suspend the effects of smart lock.
Next, have you felt like the need to change the icons in the status bar? Or even better, add a seconds bar to the time in the status bar? Well then, you need to turn on System UI. System UI can be turned on in older phones by going to settings, that is, scrolling with 2 fingers, and if you see settings on the top right corner, you can keep on pressing it and then System UI will be turned on. That you can access in settings later on. But in most new phones, this can't be activated in this way. So you will have to have a newer method. For accessing System UI, you will have to temporarily install a launcher. Here, I will install Nova Launcher. Go to Play Store, search Nova Launcher, install it. Then, after installing, you can long press in the home screen and go to widgets, scroll down, take the Nova Launcher widgets, long press activities, then take it to the home screen, and then Nova Launcher opens up which activity you want to place in the launch screen. Go down and find System UI. There, at the end, opening System UI, you will find a lot of features, and that at the end you will find System UI demo mode. Select that. In that, if you open it, you'll find all these.
Select, there are two options, no disturb and status bar. Select status bar and you can remove any icon that's appearing on status bar. For example, you can remove, now there is a vibration icon on status bar, you can remove that by saying volume, it's removed. Or you can remove that mobile data icon or Wi-Fi icon. You can remove the battery mode. And all that. There are a lot of options here. Now, if you want, we can add hours, minutes and seconds. Same drop, hours, minutes and seconds has been added. You can uninstall the Nova Launcher app and still these settings will be available.
This is because this is inbuilt settings. We are just using Nova Launcher to access these settings.
So that's all from me, guys. If you like the video, please press the like button and tell me if there's any awesome, useful Android tip or trick that you would like to share with us in the comments down below. And subscribe to my channel if you like this type of content. Well, thanks for watching. I'm Bimal and